error on PC. 1. Restart the game in PC. Close the game completely. Restart your computer normally. Launch the game again afterward. 2. Check internet connection. Use stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Restart your router modem. Avoid downloading files in background. 3. Verify game servers. Check if multiplayer servers are online. Wait if servers are under maintenance. Retry matchmaking after some time. 4. Disable VPN and proxy services. Turn off VPN applications completely. Disable proxy settings in Windows. Relaunch the game afterward. 5. Verify game files. Open Steam or Xbox app. Go to Game Properties, Manage. Click Verify and repair game files. 6. Allow the game through firewall. Open Windows Defender firewall settings. Allow the game and launcher apps. Enable both private and public access. 7. Update network and graphics drivers. Install latest network adapter drivers. Update GPU drivers to newest version. Restart your PC after updating. 8. Close background apps. Disable Discord overlay and Xbox Game Bar. Close OBS, browsers, and RGB software. Stop unnecessary startup applications. 9. Change matchmaking region. Open in-game online settings. Switch to another matchmaking server region. Restart matchmaking afterward. 10. Reinstall the game if issue continues. Uninstall the game completely. Delete leftover cache config files. Install a fresh copy of the game again.